types of SSL which is suitable for site or product. Over the last few years, the number of organizations using SSL certificate has increased dramatically. The applications for which SSL is being used have also expanded. For example, some organizations need SSL simply for confidentiality. Example, encryption. Some organizations wish to use SSL to enhance trust in their security and identity. As the applications for SSL have started to become wider, three types of SSL certificates have emerged. Verifying the legal, physical and operational existence of the entity. Verifying that the identity of the entity matches the official records. Verifying that the entity has exclusive rights to use the domain specified in the EVSSL certificate. Verifying that the entity has properly authorized the issuance of the EVSSL certificate. EVSSL certificates are available for all types of businesses, including government entities and both incorporated and unincorporated businesses. A second set of guidelines, the EV audit guidelines, specify the criteria under which a CA needs to be successfully audited before issuing EVSSL certificates. The audits are repeated yearly to ensure the integrity of the insurance process. Global Sign, a simplified range of flexible SSL certificate. Global Sign is the first SSL provider to offer a simplified range of SSL certificate fitting neatly into three newly defined SSL classes of domain validation, organization validation and extended validation. By taking its 15 years of experience in delivering trusted SSL solution, Global Sign has pioneered a simple approach of three classes of SSL. The market has seen emerge over recent years. Simplified classification of Global Sign SSL certificate consists of: first, extended validation, Global Sign Extended SSL. The latest and possible most scientific advancement in SSL technology since its initial inception, follows the standardized extended validation guidelines. New high security browsers such as Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera, Firefox, Google Chrome, Apple Safari and iPhone Safari identify extended SSL certificate as EV certificates and active the browser interface security enhancement such as the green bar. For customers who wish to assert the highest level of authenticity, extended SSL is the ideal solution. Second, organization validation, Global Sign Organization SSL. Global Sign has been issuing organization validation certificate for 15 years. Companies applying for organization SSL have their company detail vetted before issuance. Third, domain validation, Global Sign Domain SSL. Domain SSL certificates are fully supported and share the same browser recognition with organization SSL, but come with the advantage of being issued almost immediately and without the need to submit company paperwork. This makes domain SSL ideal for business needing a low-cost SSL quickly and without the effort of submitting company's document. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.ideastech.com.